Let's make a creamy Tuscan plant-based chicken dish that's rich, comforting, and totally dairy-free thanks to Panacheeza. Start by chopping up your tomato, half an onion, and 3 cloves of garlic. These are the foundation of that Tuscan flavor. Now season 4 plant-based chicken breasts with 1 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a skillet over medium-low heat. Add the chicken and let it cook until golden and crispy. Don't rush it. Move it around occasionally for even browning. While that's cooking, it's time to make our cashew cream. All right, we're going to make our cream sauce. It's a cashew cream sauce. So we're going to put 2 cups of very hot water into your blender and 3/4 a cup of raw cashews. Some people like to soak their cashews. I find this way works just fine. Make sure you have a good blender that'll blend it up real good. The consistency will come out very runny, but that's okay. We're going to thicken it up with Panacheeza once we put it with our chicken, and you will see the magic that Panacheeza can do. It should be bright white and watery. That's exactly what we want. It'll thicken when we add the Panacheeza. Flip the chicken once it's crisp and cook the other side. Then remove from the pan and set aside. In the same pan, add the garlic and onion. Sauté until soft and fragrant. Now stir in the diced tomato and 2 cups of fresh spinach. Let the spinach wilt down. It happens fast. Pour in your cashew cream, add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper, and bring everything to a gentle boil. Now stir in your 3/4 of a cup of Panacheeza and 2 tablespoons of chopped flat leaf parsley. This is where that creamy, cheesy texture really comes alive. Place your crispy chicken back in the pan and spoon that luscious sauce right over the top. Serve it over your favorite pasta or a bowl of fluffy rice for the ultimate cozy comfort meal. This is creamy Tuscan chicken, made better with Panacheeza. All right, let's try this delicious Tuscan chicken together. Not only does this dish have the colors of Italy, but it brings the taste right to your table.